Hey guys, look at the size of this bluegill I just caught. It's about 1 pound. This is a 10-inch box right here. He is the full length of this box. You can see better here. I can't tell if you guys can see, but this is a 10-inch box. Like I said, if I pinch his tail and his lip, he's over the 10 inches. And he's probably 4 inches tall. Like I said, I just had him on the scale. He's about a pound. I was just out here bed fishing and I found this bed over here with him on it. It was a big old bass. Checking him out earlier. I'm gonna get him back here. Alright, here she goes. Get her right back out there again. Like I said, she's about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Yeah, she was fighting too. She was fighting. When I went to set the hook, she ripped off and dragged a whole bunch of line. I should have been wearing the camera, but it's been raining all day. I was doing a little bit of bluegill fishing. It finally died down a little bit, less rain, so maybe I'll pull the camera holder out.